Ever heard of the heroic minute? It was a term Saint José Maria coined. The heroic minute. It is a fixed time we set for getting up, without a moment's hesitation, a supernatural reflection, and up. The heroic minute. Here you have a mortification that strengthens your will and does no harm to your body. And why heroic? Each day of our life is packed with 1,440 minutes, 1,440 opportunities for holiness. If a whole life is to be made holy, one would have to start with a minute. Therefore, we should treasure every minute by doing well what we have to do at each moment, facing the challenge of each minute and offering it to God. Do everything for love. Thus, there will be no little things. Everything will be big. Perseverance in little things for love is heroism. Just as it is written in the Gospel of St. Matthew, because you have been faithful in little things, come and join in your Master's happiness. Now, will you neglect little things if heaven itself is promised to those who mind them?